Good day, YouTubers, back again with another motorcycle video. Although we're not really gonna be on a bike today. Anyways, I'm gonna walk through how to install possibly one of the greatest foam mounts ever created for a motorcycle, at least in my opinion. Today we're gonna combine the build quality and ingenuity of Evotech performance along with Quad Lock, which is recognized all over the world as one of the, well, all over YouTube as one of the premier foam mounts that you can buy as far as, you know, safety is concerned. So with that being said, let's get started. First, you're gonna need a size 3 Allen key and a size 4 Allen key. They have like quite a few pieces for this foam mount, so take these two little guys together. These are gonna take the black screws and the size 3 Allen key. If you can see my hands here. Alright, doesn't have to be crazy tight, because once the mount is on top of here, it's not going to be able to go anywhere. But, you know, get it snug. Just keep my hands in the field of view. Okay, after you put these two together, then we're going to go ahead and install it on the actual mount itself. This is going to take the silver screws with the locking washer. Huh, looks like there's two on here. That's weird. That's very weird. I'm gonna take this off. Looks like it was probably an accident for the factory. And then we're gonna put the other this one takes a size 4. Good and tight. Voila! Initially I thought I would use the black one since it was like on the outside, but they weren't really long enough, so I'm assuming I'm just gonna use these. Okay, and last but not least, I'm gonna take the foam mount. This little guy right here is basically holding this entire unit together. So once you pull it out, be careful to hold it like the screw in, otherwise it'll just fly out and fall apart. Ask me how I know. Alright, let's pull that off. And this one's gonna be the size 3 Allen key. Just push down on it so that it raises the screw. I'm not sure if that's showing up on the screen or not. The flower. And that's it. That's part 1 of the phone assembly. We're gonna pick up outside on the bike from here. Alright, be right back. Okay, continuing outside. First thing we need to do is loosen these 4 screws. These are not Allen's, they are Torx. It's very windy. I apologize if it shows up in the video. Too bad. Oh, where's my impact gun when you need it? Lord. And this is kind of weird. I don't know if there's like built up pressures in my casting, so I'm just gonna release this real quick. Okay, it's not seen some horrific videos of like gas splattering everywhere. These pipes. I think it's due to like high elevation though. Okay. Uno, dos, tres. Okay. It's all four loose. Okay. Now we're going to put this little guy on the bottom of the mount. I'm not even in the camera. Right, yeah, so it's gonna come with like a little rubber placement on the bottom of the mount. This is most likely gonna act as a vibration damper to stop your phone's camera system from going crazy. Comes with 4 of these spacers. Put the spacers in first. And then the mount. Okay, start over. I did not put that in the right place. I think it goes like right here because because it's not like flush with the okay. So recap, this goes here, not here. All right, here, not here. You'll feel it because it's like it wasn't leveled with the with like the gas tank mount. All of these screws are the same size, so you don't have to worry about, you know, them going in any particular orientation. Screw it down. Super nerve-wracking. This gas cap is extremely expensive. Cool. That is tight. Okay, no snug, nothing crazy. Alright, that's it, guys. Look at that. Look at the finish. Unfortunately, my quad lock case hasn't come in from Amazon yet, so I can't mount it. Obviously, I'm going to have to loosen these and pull it back a little bit more because it's going to bump into my screen. But look at the fit and finish. And then this tacky thing, it drove me absolutely nuts. So, yeah, especially every time I was on camera. And then, like, before I put the windscreen, I could have swore up and down because the drag from the wind on my phone and then not on this side was like kind of messing with the handling a little bit. Like now it kind of tucks behind the windscreen a little bit, but it was driving me nuts. And when I saw these, I was just like, oh my god, I have to have it. So it's relatively expensive, but you know, you pay for what you get. I love the fit and finish. It's beautiful. It's very integrated. It doesn't look sloppy. It looks like it's a part of the bike. Unlike this. Granted, I could have made it a little bit better with a shorter iPhone charging cable, but that's what I had at the time. Actually, I had to buy that from the store because my battery died. I needed something in a crunch. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. Hopefully, this helps someone with the install, so you don't have to, you know, sit there and wonder, put the wrong screws in the wrong area, whatever. It's out. Enjoy. Later, guys.